Today, we will talk about how to clean a sisal rug. Let's have a look at the details. Sisal is a natural fiber made from the leaves of the agave plant. It is a popular choice for rugs and other household decor, thanks in part to the earthy look of its rough weave. Sisal is generally easy to maintain. All it takes is a suction-only vacuum or a soft beating with a rug beater to clean a sisal mat. It is important to avoid getting sisal wet, though, as this may cause warping and discoloration. Blot wet spots and dry quickly to help minimize the damage. The first step is maintaining the rug for daily use. Shake out debris. If you find your rug picks up large amounts of dirt or debris, start by shaking it out. Take it out to an area that you don't mind getting dirty, such as a garage or yard, and shake the rug by raising one end in your hands above your head and bringing your arms down quickly. This will help expel any large debris. Beat the rug. To help get out finer dirt and dust, hang the rug up in an open area such as a yard, and use a rug beater or a tennis racket to beat the dust out of the rug. Firmly but gently hit sections of the rug with the racket, working your way from top to bottom and moving over. Once you've completely cleared a section, vacuum the rug. Use a suction-only vacuum such as a hand vacuum or the upholstery attachment for your vacuum hose to finish cleaning the rug. Using the beaters on your vacuum is less effective and may cause more wear to the fibers. Instead, use a strong suction setting to help pull out any dirt and debris that is settled in the fibers and on the underlay. The second step is treating the rug for stains. Blot spills as they happen. Moisture of any kind can warp the weave of sisal and lead to browning of the fiber, so it is important to address spills as they happen. Blot the spot dry with a clean towel. Avoid rubbing, as this will only spread the moisture. Treat potential stains. If you notice a stain forming, blot up the spill and then treat the area quickly. Use a brush or sponge to apply a small amount of a mild fabric detergent to the area. Make sure the area isn't oversaturated with the cleaning solution, followed immediately by blotting the area with lukewarm water and a clean, undyed paper towel or cloth. Continue to rinse until all sudsing has stopped. Dry the rug. If a sisal rug gets wet, even if it is just with water, it is important to dry the rug as quickly as possible. Use a low heat setting on a hair dryer or a large fan to help you get the rug to dry faster. Dry the carpet as soon as you can to avoid warping or additional watermarking. And the third step is maintaining a sisal rug. Keep humidity consistent. Large fluctuations in humidity can lead to discoloration and degraded strength in a sisal rug. Try to keep your rug in a climate-controlled environment. If you notice large fluctuations in humidity in the area where you keep your rug, consider investing in either a dehumidifier or a humidifier. Maintain consistent sunlight. Since sisal is a natural fiber, it can be bleached by the sun. It is fine to keep a sisal rug in the sunlight, just so long as you ensure relatively even sun exposure across the rug. If sunlight only reaches a portion of the rug, it may bleach out that individual part, leading to inconsistent coloration across the rug. Apply a fabric protectant. Fabric protectants made especially for sisal can help keep the rug looking better and make it more difficult for wet spills to stain the surface. Look online or at a home improvement store for a fabric protector meant for use on sisal. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.